Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you saw my video where I went to Hobby Lobby the other day, but when I was editing it, I had mentioned that I saw a bunny that was so cute in it, and I need to freshen up the shelves in my bathroom, so I thought it would be so cute sitting in there. So I ran back out to Hobby Lobby this morning. I picked him up, and so I'm going to clean the bathroom and I'm going to decorate it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't checked out that Hobby Lobby video, I'll link it up above so you can click on it. So again, hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so right now I'm just going to remove everything off the shelves and give it a good wipe down, clean up really good, and then I'll show you what I had picked up at Hobby Lobby and we'll decorate.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are. You will find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh,
hope you enjoyed this short little video. Didn't take long just to freshen up the bathroom, get it cleaned up. I ran out, picked up my little bunny. I think he's just adorable. I love the little glasses on him. I just think it makes him look so smart. But most of the items I already had. I just kind of like moved them from one room to the other, kind of freshened things up a little bit. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to be a part of our YouTube family. So please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye.